Welcome to Google Certified Student Level 1, Google Calendar Scenario 4. In this scenario, Florencio is organizing the senior sunrise event to celebrate his class's impending graduation. He has created a calendar event called Senior Sunrise. Where does he click to title the event and set the date for the event? So we're going to go ahead and find our Senior Sunrise event right here. And we're going to open it up and then hit the edit button to see everything full screen. So to set the date and time, we're going to take a look right here below the title, right about here. So here's where I can set the date and time. Let's say maybe at 6 a.m. And then the date, maybe we'll change that to the 24th. And so right here along this row here, right below the title, is where you would set your custom start date and time. And you can also do an end date and time as well.